our maths class now. Let us learn to write numbers 1 to 30 in series. And today we will also write number 15 in our maths activity book. So, let us first learn to write 1 to 30 in series. Let us learn to write 1 to 30 numbers in series. I have put dots here and I have also made blocks as you will see in your notebook. Okay? So, let us write the numbers from 1 to 30. As you will write, you will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, leave one block here, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20. Again you will leave one block and start writing from here. 2, 1, 21, 2, 2, 22, 2, 3, 23, 2, 4, 24, 2, 5, 25, 2, 6, 26, 2, 7, 27, 2, 8, 28, 2, 9, 29, 3, 0, 30. This way, in your notebook, you will write the numbers from 1 to 30. Once again, let us read these numbers. You will all repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. This way, every day at home, you will read and write these numbers. Okay? In our maths activity book, today we will write number 15. 1, 5, 15. You can see 15 feathers here. Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So this is number 15. 1, 5, 15. Now let us write. Here on these dots you have to trace and write. Very slowly first we will trace on this 1 like this. This is 1. Okay. Now 5. Sleeping line, standing line, and ulta C like this. You all know to write 15. 1, 5, 15. You will trace and write like this. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. Like this. Slowly, slowly you will write the number. Now we will do this second line. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5. As you will say the numbers while writing, you will learn the numbers very quickly. So, whenever you write the numbers, you should also say, जिससे आपको जल्दी लर्न हो जाएंगे नंबर्स. जैसे जैसे आप लिखेंगे वैसे बोलते भी रहेंगे. तो we will write this number 15 here in this blank box also. 1, 5, 15. You can see blank box here also. So here also you will write 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. So children, this way you will write 1, 5, 15 in your maths activity book. Today we will also do some interesting activity on page number 8 and page number 9. This is page number 8. Activity time. Trace 0 and number the 5 petals of the flower. Write the number in the petals. So children, this is the flower. Okay. First you have to trace this 0. Okay. Do it slowly and take your pencil like this. Down, 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 down. Come down like this. Slowly, 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 slowly you will go up now this way and you will trace this 0. Right? Now we will count the number of petals of the flower. How many petals are these? Let us count. We will write the number here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This flower has 5 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This way you will do this activity on page number 8. Now let's move on to page number 9. Activity time. Connect the number of dots on each die with the number given in the middle. You can see so many dies here, okay? and there are numbers written here. You can see, and this side also you can see so many dice. So what you have to do, you have to connect the number of dots on each die with the number given in the middle. So let us start. We will count these dots. 1, 2. Where is number 2? Oh, it is here. So let us connect this die here with this number 2. Okay. Now we will search for number 2 here. Where are 2 dots? Here. I can see 2 dots here. 1, 2. So let us connect this die with this number 2 here. This way we will connect number 2. Now 1 dot. We have 1 dot. Here is number 1. Now let us connect this number 1 here. And here also we can see 1 dot. So we will connect this die with this number 1. Now here we can see 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. Number 3 is here. Okay. Now let us join this die with this number 3. And number 3 can be connected with this die, as this die also has 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. So let us connect. Now there are 5 dots here on this single die. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where is number 5? Here. Let us connect this number 5 with this die. And we can see 5 dots here also. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let us connect this number 5 with this die. Now we are left with 4 dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we will connect this die with number 4. And here also we can see 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4 and join this die with number 4. So children, you have to do page number 8 and 9 and send me this activity. Okay, after completing this, send me the picture. Now let us write numbers from 1 to 30 in series. Okay, we will start writing from here. We will leave first column from here and I have put dot here. Again I have left 1 column. I have put 2 dots. Again I have left 1 column here and 2 dots. Now let us write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. Now we will leave this column and start writing from here. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. Now again we will leave one column here and start writing from here. 2, 1, 21. 2, 2, 22. 2, 3, 23. 2, 4, 24. 2, 5, 25. 2, 6, 26. 2, 7, 27. 2, 8, 28. 2, 9, 29. 3, 0, 30. So this way you will write numbers from 1 to 30 in your maths notebook and send me the picture of your work.